Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am doing another follow-up on my bulk.com 3 huge pallets of Triumph parts that I have bought. This is the second month. If you haven't seen my 1-month results video, please check that one out. I'll put it down in the description. But I wanted to give you an update on how many things I sold in the second month that I had all of these items listed. So if you haven't watched my first video, my first month that I had these items listed, I sold 6 items for a total of $739.96. So that was my 1-month reveal, and I'm going to share with you what I make on the second month. So I have 4 items that have sold in month 2, and I'm going to show you each individually how much they sold for. So here is number 1, the first item I have sold in my second month. It is a Triumph radiator cowl kit for a street triple. Phantom Black is the color, and it's brand new. I sold it on February 8th, 2018 on eBay for a total of $29.99. Here is the second item I have sold in my second month. It is a fly screen solid kit for a Triumph Scrambler. Color is Caspian Blue. I sold it on February 13th, 2018 on eBay for $79.99. Here is the third item I have sold this month. It is a Triumph seat cowl kit for a street triple. The color is Imperial Purple. I sold it on February 20th, 2018 on eBay for $79.99. And this was another one of my internationally shipped items. Make sure you use the international shipping because it definitely is beneficial and you'll sell more of your stuff. You're opening up your market. So this item actually went to South Africa, and some people think, oh, the shipping is too high. I do calculated shipping, and sure enough, they paid $55 for me to ship it all the way to South Africa. And it's very easy to do. If you haven't seen my international shipping video, check that one out. Here is the fourth and final item that I have sold for this month. It is a fly screen with custom paint for a Triumph Speed Triple. The color is neon blue, and I definitely think that custom paint looks really awesome. I sold it on February 22nd, 2018 on eBay for $89.99. So as you can see, I can definitely make money selling these Triumph parts. They're in great new condition, and I've had great buyers. They communicate well with me. So total for the 4 items that I have sold, I sold them for a total of $279.96. So if I add that to my first month of sales, which was $739.96, I'll add my $279.96 that I made this month, and I'm so far at a total of $1,019.92. So as you can see, I am definitely making money. I spent a total of $2,850 on these 3 pallets. And if I take away my $1,019.92, I still have to make up $1,830.08 to make all of my money back. But I feel pretty confident I can do that in the next couple of months. Plus, I still have a ton more products still left online that I can make income from. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed the update for my second month of selling Triumph motorcycle parts. As you can see, I'm definitely making money, and it shouldn't be long until I make that money back. So just keep watching. I'll give you some more updates on my 3rd month coming up as soon as it's finished. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.